Hi, my name is Dinie Binti Iskandar.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Adlina Binti Mohd Faizal.
Hello, my name is Nelya Hanan Binti Idrus.
Hi, my name is Amira Nadia Binti Mama Azizan.
Hi, my name is Harlina Waheeda.
Our client is a game streamer and has 3 years of experience. As a content creator, they need a computer that can support their streaming activities while remaining affordable. Currently, the client is using a low specification computer that struggles to handle heavy games and live streaming at the same time. This will result in lag, frame drops, and poor streaming quality, especially during long streaming sessions. Based on this requirement, we recommend a desktop computer powered by the
AMD Ryzen 7 9800 processor,
MSI GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, 32GB of DDR5 RAM, and 1TB Samsung 990 Pro SSD.
For our client, we recommend the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, which use the x86 architecture. Why x86? Because it's the standard architecture for desktop gaming PCs. Most modern games and streaming software are designed and optimized for x86 processor. The Ryzen 7 9800X3D has 8 cores and 16 threads, allow client play games, stream live, run application at the same time without lag. It also features large 3D V-cache, which are fast memory inside the processor. Compared to x86, ARM processor designed for smartphone and lightweight laptops. Although ARM is more power efficient, many PC games and streaming applications optimized for x86.
For the memory design, we would suggest for you to buy a 32GB DDR5 RAM. For a gaming streamer, it supports more than AAA games, Discords, web browsers, and any other applications that run simultaneously. If the system does not have enough RAM, the computer will use the storage to be the virtual memory to replace the lack of available memory. This will make the storage become slower than RAM. So this situation will make the performance become slower, longer loading times, and FPS drop. Other than that, we will suggest you to get a processor with large cache memory, which is the L2 cache. Cache is basically used to store the frequently accessed data and instructions so that the time taken for the CPU to access data from the RAM is less. But overall, 32GB RAM is already enough for a regular gaming streamer.
Moving on to storage. For a modern gaming and streaming system, traditional mechanical HDDs are a massive bottleneck. They rely on slow physical spinning disks that cause long loading screens and destructive in-game texture stutters. That is why our design features a high-speed NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD as the primary storage. This drive handles reading heavy 100GB game maps and writing live stream cache simultaneously without breaking a sweat. Architecturally, this NVMe drive leverages direct memory access (DMA). Instead of forcing CPU to process every single byte of data, the DMA controller transfers game access directly from storage straight into the memory space. This completely frees up our Ryzen 7 processor to focus entirely on encoding a smooth, lag-free live stream.
Our process system allows all hardware components to work together efficiently. The keyboard, mouse, webcam, and microphone send commands to the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D processor. Meanwhile, the CPU processes the game and streaming tasks, while the 32GB RAM supports smooth multitasking. The 1TB NVMe SSD provides fast loading speed, and the graphic card produces high-quality visual for the monitor. Finally, the system bus connects all components, ensuring smooth gaming and live streaming performance.
Powered by AMD Ryzen 7 9800 and a 32GB of DDR5 RAM, this system crushes heavy multitasking with ease. Built for the long haul, it features premium deep-cool thermal management and a rock-solid Corsair Go power supply to stay stable under pressure. You get elite performance from the RTX 4070, kept perfectly cool by the high airflow mounted case. Best of all, NVIDIA's NVC encoder delivers flawless streams without forcing you to pay for a pricier CPU. High performance, smart value.
For future improvement, we recommend upgrading the RAM to 64GB while increasing the SSD capacity to 2TB, and lastly, installing a powerful graphic card. This upgrade will improve performance and keep the system ready for future gaming and streaming needs.